A Supreme Court decision on redistricting could impact electoral districts across the country, and Wisconsin is in the middle of the debate.
The U.S. Supreme Court announced this morning it would hear the case for and against districts being drawn by politicians. The decision to take the case comes after a federal judge ruled last November that Wisconsin state legislative districts were unconstitutional.
Democrats say the Republican-controlled legislature redrew the maps to create Republican majorities in more districts, adding to their majority in the legislature. Republicans argue, though, Democratic voters tend to cluster in large cities, and the rest of the state is trending to the right.
Wisconsin Attorney General says he's happy the Supreme Court decided to take up the case this fall.
To hear arguments, to consider this and issue a decision with some guidance for everyone involved, that's best case scenario, because every state has to do this after every decade census. So we need that guidance.
Wisconsin Governor Scott Walker agrees with the state attorney general, saying this is a chance to end the ongoing debate.
The law passed years ago on redistricting was constitutional, felt strong that the United States Supreme Court would ultimately uphold it, so they're taking it up today as a good thing. We believe that they will ultimately uphold the law, and we'll be able to continue to move forward.
However, state Senate Democrats argue current gerrymandering laws allow many politicians to choose their voters.
State Senate Minority Leader Jennifer Schilling also hopes the Supreme Court comes to a decision that will help more Wisconsinites participate in the election process.
Anything would be better than where we're at right now. It is so gerrymandered and found to be unconstitutional that it is important that we have fair maps, that they should be independently drawn, and we need to make sure that democracy is best when people participate.
The Supreme Court also granted the stay Wisconsin's Attorney General had requested, meaning districts will not have to be redrawn until a Supreme Court decision is made.